Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and I'm coming to you from the Sunset Del Mar Resort here in Costa Rica. I'm here for the Mold Titanium Mastermind. Around 65 people has came in here from all over the world, and what I've been doing is I've been pulling aside some of the attendees to find out who they are, where they're from, and why they are here. So today my guest is Stephen and Sally, right?
Correct.
Where are you guys from?
New York.
New York. All right, I love New York. Every year, go there every year, and I'll be there in July for the Affiliate Summit.
Oh, that's good weather. It's not in the snow.
Exactly. So what do you guys do in New York?
Basically, we are now retired. Actually, I've been retired for about 30 years. And Sally
What did you do before?
I was military contracting,
Okay.
did nuclear defense for the Navy.
Okay.
Built the cooling systems for the reactors,
All right,
the aircraft carriers and
so
subs.
you figure, when someone tells me they retire, it means I imagine them sitting around enjoying a mojito in the beach. So why do you end up as internet marketing?
Well, we decided, Sally had a great idea. I mean, to travel when we retire fully, to travel all around the United States and through Canada, see all the national parks through an RV.
Okay, yeah.
And it sort of pushed us a little faster because Sally's company gave her a little...
They merged with another
Yeah.
They
company.
merged. Okay, so
Then
you
so
got
downsized.
downsized.
I got
You got downsized. Right?
Yeah.
So the original plan kind of fell through, and you looked and
Well, yes and no. We know we had plenty of residual income coming in, but that little
the extra.
thing behind your head said, "What if?"
Okay.
So that's when we started looking into residual income on the side, where we can do it on the road anywhere in the world,
And that's where you find more?
and that's when we
Right,
found
but
more.
I'm sure when you were doing your search, you came across multiple internet opportunities.
Oh yeah.
What was it about Mope that stood out for you?
The support that they had, the back office, the way their community worked together in helping each other to understand how the business works, and just the general. Matt comes across as a very caring person, really interested in making and helping people make a good living in life, and
That's
having
awesome.
that type of
So
lifestyle.
when did you guys start this business?
Let's see. We got the IMF for the workshop.
I
It
would
was
say
back
about
in
November
September.
we started working
So
on it.
November?
So it was like
All
December.
so
we really,
let's just talk some numbers here. So what's been your biggest day so far?
$2,500.
$2,500 in one day.
In one day.
In one day.
In
Awesome.
one day.
And in your job, you ever made that much in one day?
No.
No. There we go. Anyway, that's pretty awesome. Retire, making $25 in one day. Congratulations.
Well,
All
thank
right.
you.
So
It was a shock to us too. It was like,
yeah, I
wow.
know. It's always great. You see that, you log in, you wake up in the morning. I had this happen numerous times. You wake in the morning, have my cup of coffee, go to sit on the computer, boom, wow, money just came in
That's
overnight
it. I
while
love
I
it.
was sleeping.
Exactly.
It's the ultimate feeling.
Oh, it was great.
It's the ultimate feeling.
Oh, it's great.
Until you experience it, you have no idea what life truly is. When you wake up in the morning, you see money coming in, freedom going out. That's the way to do
That's
it.
it. You could do it anywhere in the world.
Yeah.
It's whether on a beach, in the pool, if you want to risk losing your laptop, but that's all right. But which anywhere, car, RV, park,
Now,
camping.
yeah.
As long as you have a connection, internet connection.
You can do it anywhere in the world. Now, before you joined Bull, what was your level of internet marketing experience?
Zero.
None?
None. I had absolutely no idea.
So therefore, see, you two are absolute proof that anyone can make money online. So all you basically do is follow the system and implement.
Correct.
Absolutely, yeah.
Anybody
right.
can do it.
And yeah, the key word there is implement. 'Cause,
Yeah.
I can teach you this stuff. Mope can teach you this stuff. You
gotta take the
you can
action.
teach this stuff. But until you actually do what we say,
That's
nothing's
it.
going to happen.
Correct.
And the difference between you and a person who tried internet marketing, tried it and it failed because they didn't do anything. They read the course, they read the book. Oh yeah, it sounds great, but and they didn't do anything about it.
Yeah, mostly what I see people fail at this is they're not persistent. They're not
Yes,
diligent
that
of
too.
it.
Persistent.
And they quit very easily, and their mindset is not there. I mean, yeah, it might take you, a couple of months or a year. Some I've seen had luck within one day.
Well,
But-
first 8 months of my blog's life, it made nothing.
Yeah.
First 8 months, I went for 8 months going 2 blog posts every single day, including Saturdays and Sunday and holidays, for 8 straight months with 0 income. And you're persistent, you keep doing it.
That's it. And all of a
eventually pay
sudden,
off.
it's like a whole new world opens up. Money's starting to flow in. I'm like, wow, honey, look.
Well,
It's an excellent
congratulations.
feeling.
Congratulations on your success. Now, if my readers want to contact you to find out how to get involved with this business, to find out more about the business, just to generally talk about the New York Yankees or something, what's the best way for them to do so?
Better talk about the Mets. I'm not a Yankee fan.
All right, so what's the best way for them to contact you?
Oh, basically, our email address is masterminds@worksmarterforlife.com.
Awesome domain. Stephen, Sally, congratulations. Thank you very much for taking the time to talk to me.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
the rest of the mastermind. And anyone else, you want to find more about this business, give them a shout. They'll hook you up. And that is it for this interview. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel because I have a lot more interview coming up. Like and share my video, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.